My video guide is about removing the fake alerts and the online scam coming from the website protectionprogram.com. Protectionprogram.com. This is a dangerous website that may attack your browser. It may attack Google Chrome, Firefox, and other popular browsers. The website tries to make you click on the Allow button in order to display its multiple ads in the form of push notifications. It also displays pretty scary messages that try to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. But these pop-ups are dangerous, and they may be the result of some adware type program enabled in your computer. Do not ever interact with them, and do not click on this Allow button. You can first of all carefully research the control panel of your computer and try to look for the suspicious programs that you might find here. If you locate anything suspicious, get rid of it. Right-click on it and uninstall it. These pop-ups by protectionprogram.com also may be displayed after people mistakenly click on intrusive ads in the form of push notifications. To neutralize them, access the menu, go to Settings. Now you need to go to Privacy and Security area, click on Site Settings, scroll down to Permissions, click on Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications, and when you find this protectionprogram.com, remove this malicious site from the list. Even though these manipulations should fix the issue, I recommend that you additionally investigate your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner using this green download button, install the application, then start researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect any other hidden threats that could possibly remain on your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware and anti-malware, you need to select the preferred scan type. But the program is initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. So click on Start Scan button. First of all, the program will update its antivirus database, and after that process is successfully completed, the program will begin scanning your system. The scanning may take several minutes depending on how infected your computer is. Then the program will give you the detailed and complete summary of threats that were found during the scan. Then you will be able to find out the exact location of all these threats at the end of scan in the complete summary of infections that were revealed during the scan. You may go to Settings of Combo Cleaner and reveal the excellent feature called Anti-Ransomware. This specific feature, of course, is a part of the premium license, and it gives you the opportunity to add several folders that will be properly protected by Combo Cleaner Premium version against all sorts of ransomware attacks. So if you add some of the folders on your computer to the Combo Cleaner Shield, these folders and the data that they contain will be protected against encryption by all sorts of ransomware. So, as you see, this is the summary of threats found during the scan. You may remove them manually, one threat at a time, or consider upgrading to the premium version of the program to remove these threats automatically.